Nathan Cox, thanks for joining us around the home. I've been trying to clean up the kitchen here, but you can never get something clean when you've got like gnats or other bugs around, can you? No matter how hard you scrub, when you got stuff flying around, it doesn't feel clean. And these gnats have been around for over a week, and they're just really, really annoying. All right, so some of you are probably wondering, well, where the gnats even come from, why are they there? I actually looked into that a little bit because I always thought it was just rotten fruit and stuff like that. I do have some bananas here, but they're definitely not rotten. They're barely ripe. And they, like I said, they've been here for more than a week, and these bananas have not. Checked other fruit and other vegetables, that's not it. Also found out that they also like decomposing organic material like in soil and stuff. So potted plants. I do have a number of potted plants around the house. I think it's just that time of year, and they're just laying eggs and sprouting. They're spawning like crazy. So this is supposed to be a really good, effective way to get rid of them. So I'm gonna make it up, set the traps, got 2 of them here, 2 jars, and then we're gonna come back later in a few hours and see what they've caught. All right, so this is a pretty simple recipe. We got a tablespoon of sugar, okay? So 2 jars, I got a tablespoon there, tablespoon there, and then we're gonna need some apple cider vinegar, and then we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of that. Okay, I guess that gets your pungent, fruity smell. Whew, and it does. All right. Then you need, it says 6 drops of dish soap. Okay, those are bigger than drops, so I'm just gonna do that. That's supposed to help keep them trapped in there. And then half a cup of warm water. And that's supposed to be it right there. So let's hang in here and check back here in a couple hours and see what they've caught. Okay, so let's say we can check back in on our little gnat traps. And well, first of all, I want to say this is the first Google response when you search how to get rid of gnats. Okay, so this recipe is directly from there. And well, it didn't not work, but it didn't really attract them very well. And I followed it to the key, and then on one of them, because you saw me make 2 of them, I even tripled the apple cider vinegar to get more of that pungent fruit smell in it. And I've got probably got 4 in here, and the other one I think I got 5 or 6, so a little bit better. So like I said, it's not that it not works, but here's my wife's coffee cup from this morning. Okay. Okay, so we're talking 5 hours ago. Okay, not overnight. This one here, we're talking almost 24 hours. This one here, we're talking 5 hours. This is leftover coffee with a little bit of half and half for creamer, so nothing weird. And I got 3 in here. Okay, so take it as you like. Leave your wine glass. Actually, the wine glass is a little bit of wine left over. The white wine is not attracting them at all. So that didn't work. So this one here works kind of, the apple cider vinegar thing. I would suggest at least doubling the apple cider vinegar. But it looks like leftover coffee with a little bit of half creamer works just as good as this thing here. I hope this helps you guys out with your gnats a little bit. I wish I had really one that would just attract them like that. That would be amazing. But right now, this is what I got. So guys, thanks again so much for watching. Please share this on all your social medias. Take a moment, subscribe my channel, check our website with hundreds and hundreds of more videos organized really, really well for everything around the home, and another video for you to watch as well. Thanks again.